Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into your XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and find additional settings option. Here choose Gensler shortcuts option and now choose launch Google Assistant, and for example, if you want to activate this option, press on the switcher and this position like blue, activate this option. So let's try. Press and hold and our Google Assistant is locked. So go back and, for example, if you want to turn off, click one more time and here this position like gray, it's turn off this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.